Hi students, welcome to Hayagreev Foundation. Today I am going to discuss about the topic light. So light plays very important role in our life. For example, without light we are unable to see the things around us. Our human eye can sense only the visible light. Our skin can sense infrared radiation. Some other animals can sense other kind of radiations also. So with the help of light rays, we are seeing rainbow, number of stars twinkling at night, everything with the help of light we are going to see. So light having separate different properties. In this lesson, I am going to discuss about only two topics. One is reflection of light, another one is refraction of light. So reflection of light, every day we are using plane mirror in our home. So to see our appearance when we are doing makeup, whatever. So we are using plane mirror. So in front of plane mirror we are standing means it will reflect our image. So here the plane mirror means it will reflect the light rays. So what is the difference between glass and plane mirror? Means glass will undergo refraction. For example, window panels are made up of glass. So glass will be transparent, so it will allow the light ray through the glass. But the mirror, one side is coated with silver, so it will reflect the light ray. So what is meant by reflection of light? First I am going to explain. So this is plane mirror, one side is coated. So here how the reflection is going to happen, I am going to explain now. So normal is always perpendicular to the surface. Now the angle between incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence. The angle between reflected ray and normal is called angle of reflection. First, we have to know about what is reflection. So reflection is nothing but direction of light when it is traveling from one medium to another medium. But that incident ray and reflected ray both travel in the same medium. So that is nothing but reflection. First we want to learn about the laws of reflection. That is very important 2 mark. So first law is first law, which is same as for laws of refraction also. So first law, the incident ray, the reflected ray and normal drawn at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. So first law, one more time I am repeating, the incident ray, the reflected ray and normal drawn at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. So same place we can't use, the same plane we have to use. So first law. So second law is nothing but angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. So these two are laws of reflection. So first ray, the incident ray, the reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Second law is nothing but the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So this one very important for 2 mark questions. So now we want to learn about spherical mirrors. So what is mean by spherical mirrors? Means normal mirror is straight or plane, but this spherical mirrors are mirrors only, but it will be curved either inward or outward. That are called spherical mirrors. So what are spherical mirrors? Means the mirrors are the spherical surface of a mirror are curved are called spherical mirrors. There are 2 types of spherical mirrors. One is concave mirror, another one is convex mirror. So with the help of spoon I am going to explain about concave mirror and convex mirror. So this spoon this side is curved inward. So curved inward represent concave mirror. So the mirrors which curved path is inward are called concave mirror. So in vertically we have to take here the spherical mirror, the curved path is outward. This is called convex mirror. So there are two types of spherical mirrors. One is concave mirror. So another one is convex mirror. So we have to learn about these two types of concave and convex mirror. So spherical mirror is a part of glass sphere only, either coated inward or coated outward, that are called spherical mirrors. So first I am going to draw about concave mirror. So this curved path is inward. So outside is coated. This is called concave mirror. So here in convex mirror the reflecting surface is outward. So this is called convex mirror, but both concave and convex mirror is a part of spherical mirrors only. But the center of this spherical mirror by which the concave or convex mirrors are formed are called center of curvature. Center of curvature is represented by the symbol capital C. Every object having one geometric center. So all the object, including which shape we are taking, even all the objects having geometric center. So this geometric center of the spherical mirrors are called pole of mirror. So pole of mirror is represented by the symbol P. So this is the pole of the mirror, and this lens, this mirror, this is the pole of the mirror. So pole of the mirror is nothing but geometric center of the mirror is called pole of mirror. So now the distance between center of curvature from the pole of mirror is called radius of curvature. The distance between center of curvature from the pole of the mirror is called the radius of curvature. So that is represented by the symbol R. Now we want to learn about principal focus of both concave and convex mirror. So principal focus represented by the symbol capital F. First I am going to teach principal focus of concave mirror. So concave mirror, I mentioned pole of the mirror, the line which is passing through center of curvature and pole of the mirror is called principal axis. So principal axis is nothing but an imaginary line which is passing through center of curvature and pole of the mirror. So if object is at infinity, parallel rays are going to pass. So object is at infinity. Infinity means object is too far from us, like stars or sun. The rays coming towards us is parallel. So parallel rays means that is nothing but which is passing parallel to the principal axis. So these are parallel rays which are passing parallel to the principal axis. All the mirrors will undergo reflection. So if parallel rays will fall on concave mirror, all the reflected rays are going to meet at one point. So now all the reflected rays, the number of parallel rays fall on concave mirror, all the reflected rays are going to meet at one point. So this point is nothing but the principal focus of concave mirror. So that is represented by the symbol capital F. So principal focus of concave mirror is nothing but all the parallel rays are fall on concave mirror, all the reflected rays meet at one point. So that point is nothing but principal focus of concave mirror. That point is nothing but the image of the source. The image is real but very small in the sense we are going to use a diminished image. So we are going to get diminished image of object at principal focus. So now I am going to discuss about principal focus of convex mirror. So here in concave mirror all the light rays all the reflected light rays are going to converge at one point. So one more name of concave mirror is converging mirror. So here in convex mirror, just opposite to concave mirror. So here what happened about the reflected light rays means all the reflected light rays is appear to diverge from one point. Now I will show with the help of diagram. Now we can see clearly here all the parallel rays fall on convex mirror. All the reflected rays are diverging. So this diverging path we are going to rejoin the lines with the help of dotted line, means all the reflected rays are appears to meet at one point. It is appears to meet, we have to say why because here the reflected rays are not going to meet at one point. So it is going to appears to meet at one point. So this point is nothing but principal focus of convex mirror. So we are not going to get any real image here. So this is nothing but virtual image. So here the light rays are going to diverge from one point. So this mirror, one more name is diverging mirror. So concave mirror is nothing but converging mirror. Convex mirror is nothing but diverging mirror. So now we want to know about the image formation by concave mirror and convex mirror. So now I want to discuss about one more small important question, focal length. So focal length is represented by the symbol small f. Principal focus we are using capital F. Focal length we are using small f. So define focal length, important question. So what is focal length or define focal length means it is the distance between pole to the principal focus. So distance between pole to the principal focus is nothing but the focal length of the mirror. So focal length of this concave mirror and convex mirror both also represented by small f. So focal length is nothing but the distance between pole to the principal focus is nothing but focal length. Now relationship between radius of curvature and focal length is nothing but r equal to 2f. So radius of curvature of the mirror is twice the focal length. So r or the focal length is half of its radius of curvature. So one mark, maybe they ask with the help of this formula. Now example r equal to 2f. One example I am giving, if the focal length of concave mirror is 10 centimeter, then what is its radius of curvature? So focal length is nothing but 10 centimeter, then radius of curvature is nothing but twice the focal length. So 2 into 10 is nothing but 20 centimeter. So with the help of this we can solve one mark question. If maybe they are giving the value of radius of curvature, we are going to find out the focal length. This relation is applicable only for spherical mirrors, either concave or convex mirror. It is not applicable for lenses. So image formation by the spherical mirrors. Before that we have to learn the ray diagram. Ray diagram where the rays of light is going to reflect if the ray are parallel, or it is striking at the pole of the mirror, or it is passing through the principal focus, or it is passing through the center of curvature. So this having some rules, if we know to learn the rules, then the image formation by the mirror is very easy. So first I am going to discuss about the rays, how it is passing after reflection. There are 4 rays. First one is parallel ray. Before that, how need to draw the diagram of concave mirror means first we need to draw principal axis. One long straight line we have to draw. In that, with the help of compass, we have to make one arc. So in that arc, quoted outwards, that is nothing but concave mirror. So first, next we have to mention pole of the mirror. From pole 3 cm distance we have to measure a mark that indicates focal length. From there to 3 cm, one more we have to mark it, that is center of curvature. So already I said focal length and radius of curvature is equal by the symbol r equal to 2f. So radius of curvature is twice the focal length. So equal distance. This one 3 cm means this even we have to use 3 cm. So now first ray, that is parallel ray. Parallel ray which is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection it should follow or it should pass through principal focus. This is the first rule. If the ray which is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection the reflected ray want to pass through principal focus. So second ray which is passing through the principal focus, after reflection it want to pass parallel to the principal axis. So next third ray which is striking directly the pole of the mirror. So it want to follow the laws of reflection. Second law of reflection is nothing but angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So it makes equal angle with the principal axis. So this is angle of incident. So this is angle of reflection I equal to R, which is both in angle of incidence and angle of reflection want to make same angle with the principal axis. So fourth ray which is passing through center of curvature, after reflection it retraces its path. So this is incident ray, reflected ray also acting in the same direction. So when we are going to draw the image formation by convex lens, convex mirror or concave mirror, we should follow these rules. Then we will get the size of the image or where it is forming, the image is real or virtual, that are going to learn with the help of this rays only.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಂದೇಹಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ತರಗತಿಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತಲುಪುವಂತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.